A bird pecking a snake in our yard. A big, huge black snake.
Must have came from my friend's house. Is it big?
The birds are attacking it because they're probably trying to protect this area because they have eggs around here. So she's poking its tail.
Look at that being in the way. Are you gonna kill it or what?
No, I'm not about to kill it.
Cause I'm going straight to your garden too. I pray for you.
I am so glad to see this snake leave.